Alrighty, so let's get started with the procedure. I've edited this a little bit. So investigate title blocks in your CAD program. So for the vast majority of my students, that's Fusion 360. This link takes you here. All right, and this gives you all kinds of helpful information about what title blocks are, and how to like edit them, their attributes, all that kind of thing. All right, so I would encourage you to read that, check that out. Additionally, this link here talks about creating a custom title block, which we're going to kind of do together. So you may not need to see that one as much, but if you want to, that's where this link takes you. All right. So the first thing is to download the crank arm file. So let's do that. So I have hit the link there. I'm not sure if this is an active link on this page. That could be a problem. So it looks like it's doing something. There we go. Okay. So once it downloads, this is what you're going to do. You're going to show in folder. It's going to be a little different with a MacBook. All right. But I always do the show in folder option. I like to see where it's put it. Okay. And then so what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to save mine in my Google Drive. And I have a specific folder I save stuff in the Google Drive. All right, it's not showing me my folders. Let's see if I can change the type. There we go. So here's the file here, and I'm going to put it inside my Autodesk folder and see if I want it any more specific than that. I think maybe not for now. I might mess with it later, but so I know where it is. All right, and now I need to open it. Okay, so to open it, I'm going to go to Fusion, and I will get into my project. And we're going to make a new folder here. It's going to be called 1.3.5 Fagan, or your last name. I'm going to go in there. And then I'm going to do this. I'm going to say upload. Okay, so I will upload that file. I click select files. I remember where I put it. And it should be right under the other folders. There it is. I'm going to click open. And then click upload. So it's going to tell me, how long it's taking to do it. There we go. It says it's complete. Okay. So I should be able to open this now, as it says for number 2. There it is. Excellent. And let's see what it says next. Alrighty. And before we do numbers 3 and 4, which I think are going to be the last thing I'll expect for this activity, at least this year, I want to show you kind of what our end goal is. All right. So our end goal is this thing down here, actually. This is the title block. All right. It's what we call custom title block. And you will want yours to end up looking something like this with this information. Okay. So we're going to talk about how to get there. All right. All right. So going back, it says to start, you need to open the crank arm file. All right. And I've already got that open in my folder. All right. So hopefully you have it in there and it's open. All right.